So some of you are wondering how much a small YouTube channel that isn't monetized yet can make. You may notice if you've seen some of my videos that some of my videos have ads on them, but that doesn't actually mean that I get paid. So before I can actually enter into the YouTube Partner Program to get paid for those ads that they actually already play on my videos, I don't actually get paid off of any of that until I get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in the last 365 days. Really, the only way I can earn money is if I'm a part of some kind of like an affiliate program where if people click on links in my description, or if I'm selling my own products somehow, or some kind of subscription service or something like that. But I'm just not smart enough to figure that out or offer anything that I find would be valuable to my viewers. So I just basically I just focus on affiliate programs. I am affiliated with about 5 or 6 different companies, but the ones that bring in actual monthly revenue that's worth talking about for me are the Amazon program and then a beard care company that I'm affiliated with. So I'm going to show you guys about the Amazon program. I'm in both the Amazon Canada and the Amazon US program. If you're going to be putting links in the description on YouTube and you want to get paid on people from Canada and the US, you do have to actually physically link the Canada link for a product and the USA link for a product separately. The way to get around that so you don't have to do that, there's a website called Genius Links. I'll link that for you guys, not an affiliate. And through that, you can link your US and Canada or whatever Amazon affiliate program. Then when people click on that short URL, it actually will send them to the proper country. Another cool thing is it'll tell you when a URL no longer works because the vendor doesn't exist anymore or they're just out of stock. And then you can just update one link in that program to update all of your links where you've linked that product, and it'll now send people to the product that can actually purchase. I'm rambling, but that's a really important note for anyone that wants to get into YouTube. So I'm going to show you guys here for the Amazon US program. You can see here that I didn't really start getting paid out until about April of this year. And that's when I started making about $20 to $30 a month. And you can see here that in October so far, today, as I'm recording this, it is October the 15th, 2023. I'm already sitting at $20.05 on the 15th, which is a good sign. If it continues this way, it means I'm going to make about $56 this month, which is going to be a record month for sales for me on Amazon US. And in terms of payout, if you want to give them all sorts of tax information, you can have them pay out as low as $10 at a time. I chose to get paid by check, but then you have to wait until you've earned $100 to get paid out. Now let's head over to the Amazon Canada program. You can see here that the months are a little bit more all over the place here. I tend to earn anything between $6 to $20 a month on this one. And as you can see here, there are months where I actually owe Amazon money, and that's just from people when they actually return a product that they purchased, they actually claw back that commission as well. I don't think Amazon lets you return stuff past 30 days anyway, so not something that you should really have to worry about. The other program that I actually get paid out pretty much monthly on as well is a company called Royal Beardsman. I really do love their beard products. They pay out 15% commission on everything that's purchased. Amazon pays out about 2 to 10% depending on what's being purchased. And as you can see here, the Royal Beardsman program has paid me out about $2,400. I've been with them for about 4 years, so this works out to about $50 a month. So to answer the question about how much a small YouTuber makes on YouTube, in my case, if you add that all up, I'm making about $100 a month, which is about 130 Canadian, I believe right now. It's not a lot, but it is enough that I can kind of use that money to reinvest into the channel, to buy some cool things to review for you guys. I know you came here to check out how much a small YouTuber can make, but if you like short and to the point reviews on products, just random products that I buy, that you might buy, then you might want to check out this channel. You may find some products that you've never even heard of. Speaking of which, you should check out one of these 2 videos. It's going to change your life. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.